Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add Shop Now button to Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, just go ahead and log into your Shopify admin. After that, navigate to the theme editor. So from the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. Then under that, select the themes. Access the theme editor. So in the theme section, locate the theme that you want to edit and click on the Customize button. Now select the desired section. So in the theme editor, you will see various sections of your website that you can customize. Depending on your theme, you might find sections like header, homepage, or banner. Choose the section to add the button. So identify the section where you want to add a Shop Now button. For example, if you want to add it to a banner or a slideshow section, click on that section. Add a button element. So within the selected section, look for options to add elements or blocks. Typically, you will find a button element or a call to action option. Customize the button. So once you've added the button element, you can customize it. This includes changing the text to Shop Now, selecting the button color, adjusting the font style, and choosing the destination URL. The destination URL should be the link to your shop or a specific collection page where you want customers to land when they click the button. Save and publish the changes. So after customizing the button to your liking, click on the Save or Publish button in the theme editor to save and make the changes live on your Shopify store. The last one is Preview and Test. So visit your Shopify stores to preview the changes and ensure that the Shop Now button appears in the desired section. Click on the button to confirm that it redirects to the correct page. So please note that the exact steps and options may vary depending on the theme you are using in your Shopify store. If you encounter any difficulties or need more specific guidance, referring to Shopify's official documentation or reaching out to their support team can provide further assistance tailored to your theme and setup. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.